Yolande. As you read from the title, this is a vlog. And I realized while editing that actually I did not introduce the video at the beginning. So since I just remembered now, I'm going to greet you all real quick, introduce my beautiful baby sister, and then we then rewind to the beginning of this video.
Okay, hi guys. My name is Domashe. I'm DIY Yolande's sister, and it's so nice to be in her video. So Jaya.
So let's rewind to the beginning of this vlog. Sitting room. This is where we spend a bulk of our time here at home. As you can see here, I have tools out because I am busy with some DIY projects. Doomy's out because it's that season of the year. I've done a DIY of the coffee table and also of the couch armrest. Do check them out. They are linked down in the description box below. And our TV was mounted in a previous vlog. I have also linked the vlog down in the description box below. Please do check it out. This is the current TV stand, TV unit that we have. We bought this at like 300 bucks when we were just newlyweds, trying to put together pieces of furniture when we had just recently gotten married. Yeah. I made an order with some Click Furniture.
So yeah, we'll see how it goes with regards to setting it up. I hope it's not difficult. Yeah, and I'll be sharing tips for you guys in case you order from any furniture store and you need to assemble the piece yourself. I'll just share some tips throughout us setting it up. So yeah.
So here are all the boards that I've taken out. It's very nice and slim, which is stunning. And then this box, I'm assuming it has the hinges and the screws and stuff, so let's open that. Yep, I was right guys. So these are all the screws, dowels, pins, and the legs. Ooh, child! These are nice. These are nice. Okay, I'm going to time lapse us setting up, and then as I go along, I'll be sharing on screen tips and tricks. But there's numbers here, so also these numbers also match the numbers that are on the diagram. So you then go from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then there's numbers on the pieces, so you match the pieces with the numbers. If you don't have a drill, you can definitely use star screwdrivers. So I just remembered that I forgot to show you guys the TV unit once it has been assembled. Here it is. It's got a very stunning finish. It's very stable. The quality of the wood is very nice. It's nice and smooth, easy to clean. I got it from Mr. Price Home. It was $2.99. It is currently still available in store and online, so you can check it out. This color is oatmeal. Then the straw, I also got it at Mr. Price Home a while back. And this is the overview of my sitting room. The other side of it. So we bought this my dear fridge. It's a side-by-side fridge from House and Home. This is the space on the inside. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And this is the other side. Both doors open. The one that we had was good, you know, because it was just a fridge that we got from family when we just were newlyweds, and it lasted us as long as it did, and we're grateful for it. With the amount of groceries we buy, because we bulk buy, we had to get a new fridge. Hey drillers, I am home, home as in home KwaZulu, home, and we decided to just gather here as a family. Yesterday was the 17th of December, which was my grandmother's birthday, so it was the very first birthday that we celebrated without her being here. She passed early this year. So yeah, so as her kids and her grandkids, we just decided to come home and just spend the day with each other. So we are braaiing.
Mama? Yummy! July bu. Oh si July. Aku kumpulan ke July. What? Oh God, it's good for me. Tabong! Tabong na!
Shoot say. وتبقى ناس يخلي
نم نم نم.
وما
Yo, peace.
ايه
Hello. Forza! Nine!
انا كنت صدق يا زبل ويت انا مسواش انا كنت صدق
It's okay. Okay.
they've been painted.
Your one is
Pick up
ugly.
yours.
Your one is ugly. No. Mine is beautiful.
So this is how they look. I'm going to put my artificial plant in here. She's asked me to use hers as decor. I'm not sure if it's worthy of being decor, madam.
Yes, it is.
So I'm gonna use it as decor in my bookshelf. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and you enjoyed spending time with me and my family. And I'll see you all next year.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and comment. See you next time.
Bye.